Okay, question 7. The first term of a GP, and you've got A and B. These normally don't link to each other. And I've got AP for the second one. So I'm going to get the formulas from the formula sheet. We'll open the formula sheet. I'll paste them in here so we've got them anyhow. So now I can answer them. 7A, the ninth term. Well, I've been given this as GP, so it's this one here. That's the ninth term. So U9 will equal A. It says the first term is 7, so A is 7 and R equals -2. So it is A, so that is 7 times by R to the n minus 1. So this case will be R, which is -2, to the n minus 1, which is 9 minus 1, which is 8. So do that on a calculator and you get 1792. Just make sure you do put the -2 in brackets. Part 2. Find the sum of the first 15 terms. Well, that's going to be this one here. So I've got sum of 15 terms equals. Now I can either use this formula or I could times top and bottom by -1 to get A times R to the n minus 1 all over R minus 1. And that's nicer if R's, we don't like taking away, getting a negative on the bottom. But here R is -2, so -2 minus 1. I don't want this one. I actually do want the one which they gave us here. So it is A, which is 7, times, brackets, 1 minus R, so that's -2 in brackets, to the power of n, that'll be 15, close brackets, divided by 1 minus, and R is -2. And do that on the calculator, and that'll give me 76,461. That's part A, and now part B. First term of an AP is 7, so now A equals 7, and common difference, so now D equals -2. The sum of the first n terms, okay, so that's this one here, sum of the first n terms, that's my formula I need to know, because I don't know the last one, is -2,900. Find the value of n. So I've got Sn equals half of n times by 2a plus n minus 1 d. If I put things in, and I'm told that that's -2,900. That equals half of n times 2a, that's 2 sevens 14, and plus n minus 1 times by d. D is -2, so that's actually equivalent to minus 2 lots of n minus 1. And now I'm going to sort this out. -2,900 equals a half of n, and this will be 14 minus 2n minus 2 times -1 is +2. That gives me minus 2,900 equals a half of n times by 1416 minus 2n. I don't like the half, so I'm going to times everything through by 2, so -5,800 equals, multiplies out 16n minus 2n squared. So I got rid of the half. I'll get everything on the left hand side because I want a positive number of n squareds. So 2n squared minus 16n minus the 5,800 equals 0. They're all even, so I could divide through by 2. N squared minus 8n minus 2,900 equals 0. So that does actually mean I could have, this half, I could have times the half into this bracket here to start off with, instead of timesing by 2 and then dividing by 2. I'm going to complete the square because I like it when I've got an even number here, so that'll be n minus 4 squared, and that will give me n squared, it'll give me -8n, it'll also give me +16, so I don't want +16, I want to take away 16 and then take away 2,900, so that'll be take away 2,916, and that equals 0. Add that to both sides, so I'll just bring it up here, so n minus 4 squared equals 2,916, square root both sides, n minus 4 is the square of 2,916, that will be plus or minus 54. Square rooting both sides, and then n add 4 to both sides. So plus 54 add 4 is 58. Or minus 54 plus 4, which is minus 50. It obviously can't be minus 50, it makes no sense. Therefore, n equals 58. I'll make it clear that there is actually only one solution. You couldn't have the minus 50th term, so it can't be that one. And that's question 7 done.